Wow, look at this one, just arrived. This is the beautiful Isuzu D-Max, but it isn't any ordinary pickup. This is the AT35 version. The 2020 70 registration, 2-litre diesel, 1.9 diesel they call it, 25,000 miles, commercial vehicle, so it's price plus VAT, in this awesome magnetic grey colour. Now the AT35 isn't just all about the extended arches and these huge wheels. Almost 70 hours gets put into labour to make a truck into an AT35, which is Arctic trucks, that's what it defines for. And they do a fantastic job because they upgrade the suspensions, put the Sill Plate on there, making it real, one of the best off-road vehicles you can possibly buy. Do your research on Arctic trucks, you'll see how much the conversion costs. It's a fortune. So to get one that's ready-made, one with 25,000 miles on, save a pretty penny, is almost brilliant. Now this car, like I said, has got all the features that you want. It is the D-Max version, which gives you all the specification, starting off with the LED daytime running lights. You have lots of chrome features along the fog light areas on this huge grille. And then you have the sun plug plate just there. Now remember, it has got the upgraded suspension. This then has the Arctic truck wheels on it with these huge all-terrain tyres. Now, these magnesium wheels are only 17-inch in size, but they're perfect because they have these balloon tyres, which mean off-roading, no problem, it'll just eat it. You've then got the Arctic trucks mud flaps and the heavy-duty side steps. Chrome ring mirror covers, roof rails, sun protection glass, but then the Arctic trucks also continue on the interior, starting off with the entry kick plates, fully fitted mats, but check out this interior. Full leather perforated seats with a contrasting white stitching and the Arctic truck stitched onto the headrest. This then has navigation, heated seats, dual zone climate control, full multifunctional steering wheel, the Arctic truck's badge down here, automatic gearbox with the different drive modes available as well. You've got 2 keys with this car, grab handles to get in and out of, and it is a 5-seater vehicle, being a double cab. So again, that same Arctic trucks has continued round the back on the leather and on the headrest in the centre. The centre armrest also comes down, the mats continue around the back, followed by the extension arch kit. And this isn't just a little plaggy thing that's been stuck on, it's a big, heavy, fixed properly onto the car. And it finishes the car off extremely well. You then have the rear mud flaps, heavy duty tow bar, and then you have, this one has actually a mountaintop roll cover on it. It's a shutter which can be opened or pulled along to close it again, and you have the Bedliner in place already. Arctic trucks also put in the matte black airframe on the back. The condition of this truck is brilliant. This is not one that's going to hang around, because what's the option? You go and buy a standard Isuzu D-Max and save yourself £6,000–7,000, or you get something that's ready made in this fantastic look and drive as well. Now remember, you get more than enough brake horsepower. This one's got 25,000 miles on. All the settings are there. You've got your stop-start button, put it into reverse. The car's also got reversing camera system. You've got the heated seats down there. This is amazing. You sat really nice and high up. And like I said, if you want a true off-roader, then it doesn't get any better than the Arctic trucks. That's an AT35. In this case, it's the Isuzu D-Max version with only 25,000 miles on, in a stunning colour. It's always nice to get a bit of a premium palette. There's lots of blacks and silvers out there, so when you see the odd grey, it's just brilliant. My name's Joe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.